Hi guys, pinoyexpatinvestor here, and today discuss natin yung tinatawag nating ETF or an exchange traded fund. Okay, so in this slide actually nakuha ko to sa page nung First Metrosec. Okay, and I'm not affiliated with the First Metro. It's just only that this discussion or this video is intended for education purpose only, that to introduce to you what is an ETF, okay, and how it is also a type of an investment, okay, that you can consider adding in your portfolio. Okay, so yun guys, we will discuss it. Okay, so ano bang tinatawag natin exchange traded funds? So an ETF, okay, let me draw it here, an ETF, okay, so an ETF, okay, here, so an ETF, an exchange traded fund, is an investment fund traded on an exchange, okay, so sa Philippine Stock Exchange, intended to track an index, okay, track an index or a basket of assets. So, yun po yung definition ng exchange traded fund. Okay, so it is an investment fund, okay, that is traded like a stock. In case in Philippines, it is traded on Philippine Stock Exchange. Okay, so what is an index? Because it's saying here that intended to track an index, so or a basket of assets. So ano ba yung index? So an index is a indicator to measure or monitor the performance of a group of securities. Okay, like in the Philippines, it's called Philippine Stock Exchange Index, wherein it is composed of 30, okay, of 30 largest and most liquid stocks. So yun po pala yun, pag sinabi nating index, it means it is the excuse me, it is the like a benchmark ng isang the whole market itself, okay, like the Philippine Stock Exchange market. So that is an index, okay, it's the general market actually. So and ETFs, that exchange traded fund actually is invested in an index. Okay, so here it's a great representation here about the ETF. Okay, so this is the ETF. Okay, an ETF actually is a combination. It's a combination of a stock and a mutual fund. Okay, it's like a hybrid mutual fund with the quality of a stock. Okay, so ayun, because a stock, diba, ano yan, it's like ownership of a company. Okay, when you're buying a share or a stock, so you are owning the share of the company. Okay, and also you're buying a mutual fund. Okay, so you are actually invested, okay, in a fund which is sometimes actively managed by a fund manager, or if it is an index, so it is passively managed. Okay, so and a mutual fund actually is it's a shared fund. Okay, so it means that there's uh, a one financial institution or an investment like an investment bank or insurance that is managing that fund, okay, to the to its investors. But yeah, that's the concept of mutual fund, guys, that you are not the one managing your money. There will be someone who will manage your money or allocate that capital to invest in different securities. While in a stock, when you're buying a stock, you are the one managing your money. Okay, you are the one buying the stock, you are the one selling the stock. Okay, and if we combine these two things, stock and a mutual fund, so that will be an ETF. Okay, so an ETF actually is a mutual fund. Okay, that can be traded as a stock. Okay, so yun po yung pagkaiba, or I mean yun yung explanation nung ETF. Okay, so and guys, and I just close this. So an ETF, sorry, an ETF allows you to invest in a single trade in a basket of stocks. Okay, so yun na po yun. Yung basket of stocks na tatawag natin is yung index. Okay, so you can trade it as a regular stock, but you are diversified to a basket of stocks or index. Okay, and let's go to the next slide. So yun yung traded funds. There's a few basic facts here that this is designed to track, the performance. Okay, here is designed to track the performance, of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, this is also a cost-efficient way of diversifying for portfolio. Sorry, we need to erase that one. Yun. Yun nga. It is a cost-efficient way of diversifying, okay, your portfolio. It means you are invested on the entire market, okay, which is composed of that 30 securities or companies in the Philippines. Okay, so yun, access a broader market, yun nga yung you are diversified to different sectors of the market or the different industries. Okay, and yun, it can be traded like a stock. Ito yung sinasabi ko na you can trade it as a stock, you can buy and sell it anytime. Okay, and ETFs have no sales load. So ito po yung kagandahan dito, that they have no sales load, like in the mutual fund they have a sales load. It can be this is charges. Okay, sales load are the charges from from the mutual fund, expenses from the mutual funds if you invest in a mutual fund. So you will have a sales load. Okay, sometimes it is your entry when you invest in a mutual fund, they will charge you before or after. So that are